Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cash in your Gcash using 7-Eleven. It's super easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Open your Gcash app and log in. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Step 2. On the home screen, tap the Cash In button. Step 3. Scroll down and select 7-Eleven from the list. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to cash in. Minimum is 100 pesos, so prepare your cash ahead. Step 5. Tap Generate Barcode. This is what you'll show at the counter. Step 6. Take a screenshot of the barcode. It expires in 30 minutes, so don't forget. Step 7. Now, go to the nearest 7-Eleven store. Step 8. Show the barcode to the cashier and let them know you're cashing into Gcash. Step 9. Pay the exact amount in cash. No change will be given, so bring the right amount. Step 10. Wait a few seconds, and your Gcash wallet should be updated. Easy, right? That's it. Now you know how to cash in Gcash through 7-Eleven. If this helped you, don't forget to like and follow for more step-by-step tutorials. And if there's anything else you want me to cover next, feel free to drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.